Ready for a rescue? Today we are drawing Baby Skye from Paw Patrol the Mighty movie. Let's get started. First, draw a small curve at the top, then a curved letter V coming down from it, and a smaller one next to it to finish the strand of hair. Draw a line coming down from each side. Then on each side of the strand, draw an eyebrow. For the eye, draw a large circle. Then two smaller circles inside, one for the iris and one for the pupil. Then draw a half circle on top of the eye for the eyelash. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Then color the eyelashes. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Draw a small oval shape for the nose, then a curve under it for the smiley mouth. Draw half a square shape surrounding the face with rounded corners, and don't make the half square reach the top of the head. Draw a long curved line coming down from the left side of the top of the head, ending with an upside down letter V, then connecting to the bottom of the head. Repeat the same step on the other side for the other ear. Draw two curved lines coming down from the bottom of the head, the left one going down and the right one going to the right. Draw a paw connected to the left line, with two curves for the toes. Draw a small curve for the belly, then draw the other paw, and extend the bottom line upward. Add two curves for the toes. Connected to the line on the right side, draw the mirror image of the letter C, then draw a smaller letter C facing it, and connect them together at the bottom with a smaller letter C for the paw, and make two curves for the toe. Draw a curve around the neck, then a large letter V on the chest for the bandana. Decorate the bandana with a couple of lines. You can connect the front and the back leg with a curve. Draw a small letter V facing sideways for the tail. No pups too small. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. Did Baby Skye make you smile? Hit like, and if you're ready for more fun drawings, subscribe and join the adventure. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color.